Royal jelly is a golden substance produced by worker bees that serves two key roles, nourishment and adhesion. It's the exclusive diet of queen larvae, helping them grow significantly larger than worker larvae, but it also acts as a glue, securing all larvae to the honeycomb. While royal jelly plays a crucial role in developing queens, other factors like cell size also contribute to their identity. Royal jelly is a golden sticky substance produced by worker bees from special glands. It contains critical proteins like royalactin and B vitamins which fuel growth. All bee larvae start life glued to the honeycomb with this jelly, but only queen larvae eat it their whole lives. This diet makes them twice as big as workers, who later switch to pollen and nectar. Royal jelly isn't just glue, it's a nutrient-packed superfood that fuels the queen bee's rapid growth and reproduction. Worker bees produce it, but only queens consume it their entire lives. This rich diet, packed with proteins, vitamins, and fats, enables queens to grow significantly larger than worker bees in just days. Studies show this dramatic size difference is crucial for her role as the colony's mother. Royal jelly isn't just food, it's a sticky protein-rich substance worker bees apply to honeycomb cells. Its thick, adhesive texture clings to larvae, keeping them in place as they grow. Worker bees use their mandibles to spread it precisely, ensuring the young bees stay securely attached until they pupate. Now, let's zoom into the life of a bee larva where royal jelly plays two crucial roles. Imagine tiny helpless grubs nestled in hexagonal cells inside the hive. Worker bees produce this golden glue, carefully dabbing it onto the honeycomb to secure each larva in place. Without it, they'd tumble out like marbles rolling off a table. But royal jelly isn't just glue. It's also their first meal, packed with everything they need to grow proteins, for muscles, vitamins for energy, and fats for rapid development. For the first 3 days, all larvae thrive on the superfood. But then fate splits. Those fed exclusively on royal jelly become queens, growing twice as large in just 6 days. Others switch to pollen, becoming workers. It's like a magical buffet that decides their destiny all thanks to this sticky golden substance. Royal jelly isn't just glue, it's a high-calorie superfood for the queen bee. Worker bees produce it, and while all larvae start on royal jelly, only queens get to eat it their entire lives. This rich diet packs proteins, vitamins, and fats, making them grow twice as big as worker bees in just days. Imagine if your lunch could turn you into a giant royal jelly does that for bee queens, fueling rapid growth and reproduction while worker bees switch to pollen later. But royal jelly isn't just for queen's worker bees, and humans can benefit from it too. While it's true that queen bees get a lifetime supply, worker larvae also start with it before switching to pollen. And yes, you can safely consume royal jelly in small amounts, though it's potent, like a supercharged multivitamin. It's not magic, but its natural compounds make it one of nature's most versatile substances. But royal jelly's magic isn't just theory. Scientists have studied it for decades. Research shows it contains unique proteins like royalactin, which triggers queen development. It also has antimicrobial properties to keep the hive healthy. Imagine a substance that not only builds tiny bees but also protects them from germs like nature's Swiss Army knife. These findings prove royal jelly isn't just sticky glue, it's a precision tool for survival. Royal jelly isn't just a wonder for bees, it's also a powerhouse in human health and skincare. Packed with proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants, it boosts energy, supports immunity, and even promotes healthy aging when taken as supplements. In skincare, its anti-inflammatory properties soothe skin, making it a natural multi-tool, nourishing from within while protecting the outside. But harvesting royal jelly isn't easy. Beekeepers must be careful not to disrupt the colony's delicate balance. Worker bees produce it for the queen, so taking too much can stress the hive. That's why experts use special methods, like replacing queen cells with artificial ones or gently collecting excess jelly without harming the larvae. It's a dance of patience and precision, ensuring these tiny workers keep their superglue flowing while we learn from nature's secrets. Royal jelly isn't just food, it's the invisible glue that holds a hive together. Worker bees, each with a specialized role, feed it to larvae or the queen, ensuring the colony thrives like a precision factory. This teamwork, from nursing to comb building, is what makes a hive survive and grow. Royal jelly is more than just a sticky substance. It's a symbol of teamwork and efficiency, showing how nature solves problems with precision. Worker bees, like tiny factory workers, produce this superglue to nourish the queen and larvae, proving that cooperation makes colonies thrive. If you're as amazed by royal jelly as we are, share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Let's keep learning.